Welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to secure your unstoppable crypto wallet with Passcode. First, launch the unstoppable crypto wallet on your device. Now, tap on the settings icon which is at the bottom of your screen. After that, go to the security option. You can see Enter Passcode tab there. Click on the Enter Passcode tab. Here you need to create a passcode. This passcode will be used to unlock your wallet. After that, confirm it by typing it again. Now your unstoppable crypto wallet is now secured with your passcode. Each time you open the application or perform certain action, you will need to enter this passcode for added security. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.